Hey everyone, welcome back again to another video on this channel. This time the topic is how to get iPhone app widget page to open a specific notion within of course like a specific page, right? So essentially the way they works is that obviously you can add an icon on your home screen and everything, but it's not going to be as effective as it gets you to like the general user interface. Instead, you need to hold down on the screen, make sure that everything gets to the edit mode, then click on edit, add widget, and in here I want you to just type in Notion like this and just add Notion to your home screen as a widget. Now, you should know a couple of different things about it. So there are 5 widgets available. So there are 2 sizes of recents, 2 sizes of favorites, and 1 size, the smallest one, is the page. So obviously, if you choose favorites, only the favorite websites, the pages are gonna appear on the home screen in the widgets. In the bigger view, obviously more. But when it comes to the recents, you don't really have much control, as it's literally those that you used as last. So if you want to choose a specific page, go with the first one. Then, as you are still in the edit mode, tap on this, choose the proper workspace, and then choose the specific page. Right, so as you can see, I'm going to pick habit tracker. So right now I'm going to have 2 of the same things. Essentially, when I get inside, it opens a very specific page within a Notion directly from my widget. So this is probably what you wanted to achieve. A pro tip: if the page has the background cover image as well as this emoji, it's going to look good on this widget, because if I just show you what it looks like when it doesn't have that, and I'm just choosing like a random one like this, you can see that there is a title, but it's just blank widget without the icon, without the image. So it looks much better when you customize it. So that's essentially how you can do this. Let me know down below in the comments if there is anything else that you would like to know. So hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.